Oh, so cold and rainy outside. So I'm hiding in the shed and adjusting the chain on my 250 v-strom, which is very saggy and slapping on the plastic guide. So I need 17mm spanner this side and a 24mm socket that side, because I haven't got a 24mm spanner, or else I'd use a spanner. And then a 10 or 12mm for the adjuster. I'll just get that one. Okay, I tried a 10 and it turns out it's a 12. So I'll loosen off the axle. I said that like it would be easy. Right, axle loosened, and then tighten these up accordingly, I believe. I'm going to go the scientific way, a quarter of a turn, both sides, and then check the chain. So it's not slapping the plastic anymore, and it's about 20-25mm. I think it's about hang on a minute, 10, 20, 23.2mm play. So I think that's fine. So spanner back on here and socket back on here, undoing up rather than undoing. Oh, spanner fell off here. And recheck the tension. So tension is now not slapping the plastic guide at the front here, so it's definitely tighter. 10, 20, about 24.7mm of slack, which I find acceptable. I don't want it too tight, and there's not enough power in the bike to worry about slapping the chain and snapping it. Definitely not enough torque for doing that. And now that's at the right tension. Attention. And all I've done is pinch this up with the ratchet. Obviously it's getting torqued. Well, obviously, not obviously. And it's 65 Newton meters for the rear axle on a v-strom 250. And I'll tell you what, I'm going to loosen that off because I think I might have been a bit overzealous with my tightening up, my pinching up. Right, now let's try that again. Let's get a proper setting. Oh, there you go. 65 Newton meters, which is nothing to what it was coming off, that's for sure. Anyway, that is my chain adjusted, and that's my axle torqued up on my v-strom 250. Let me know if you've got an easier way, a harder way, or just throw a comment for the sake of throwing a comment. Anyway, thanks for watching. Catch you again. Ta-ra.